My back pain was so bad. For weeks I couldn't walk. Doctors just shrugged. Pills did nothing. I was desperate, facing surgery, until my roommate offered a truly shocking, ancient solution. Her Native American grandmother, a healer, once used hot grass to burn and fix my sprain. Reluctantly, I agreed. She arrived with strange roots, brewing a foul, earthy, acrid-smelling tea. I choked down the murky, bitter liquid, thinking, this is insane, it smells absolutely toxic. That night, a raw throat and coughing started, convincing me I'd made a terrible mistake. But then I woke, and the agonizing back pain that crippled me was suddenly, miraculously, gone. I could walk, lift, live again. Yet, I kept wondering about that terrible cough and its true origin. If only a mysterious ancient tea can cure us, why do doctors hide these potent remedies?